Hello, fourth graders. I want to show you how to represent numbers using place value blocks. You probably remember these from second grade or third grade, and I will remind you. So, here we have a number, 2,345, and you probably remember that this 5 is in the ones place, the 4 is in the tens place, the 3 is in the hundreds place, and the 2 is in the thousands place. And we will use this to help us understand place value blocks. So, here I am going to draw a 1. This represents a 1. This one here represents a 10. A big one like this represents 100. And finally, a cube represents 1,000. Okay, so here we have a 1. This represents a 1. This represents a 10. This represents 100. And this represents 1,000. So, when we come across a problem such as this one in Khan Academy, we can use what we know to solve the problem. So this says which number is shown by the place value blocks. So if we look here, this one here is worth 1,000, and there is one of them. So my thousands place, I am going to put a 1. This represents 100, and there are 2 of them, so I'll put that in the hundreds place. There are 2 hundreds. And then this represents 10, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So the 8 goes in the tens place. And then finally, there are no ones in this number, so I'll put a 0 in the ones place. So my number is 1,280. So I'm going to choose that. That's our correct answer. It would be that one, 1,280. And then let's see if that is correct. That is correct. Okay, let's do one more. Here is one that says, which place value model shows 2,923? So, I'm going to represent this number, 2,923, using place value blocks. So, I'm going to see I need 2 thousands. So 1,000, I remember, is the one that looks like a cube. So I should have 2 of these ones that look like cubes. Okay. This one here and this one here both start with 2,000. This one does not have any thousands in it, so I can cross it out. Okay. Then the 9 here means that I have 9 hundreds. Hundreds are these ones here. And I should have 9 of those. This one looks like it has 9 hundreds. I'm going to count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It does. And it should also have 2 tens. There are the 2 tens. And it should have 3 ones. So I get 2,923. So it looks like that must be our correct answer. So I'm going to select that one and check it. And that is correct.